Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Science Experiments. So today we are going to dive deeper into the world of reflection and refraction. So you might have seen many reflections and refractions around you, but do you know what it actually means? Today we'll check out. In our list of experiments we have something exciting coming up where you will see what is reflection, what is refraction, and how does it work in the real world. So in our first experiment, we will draw an arrow and pass it through white light and see how it turns in the opposite direction. For that, you have to first draw two arrows on the same direction. So now we have drawn these two arrows in the same direction. After this, we will need a glass of water. So first we'll pour some water.
As you can see, the arrow is in the opposite direction when it passes through the glass of water. Why? Because of refraction. When light passes through one transparent medium to another, the light bends.
In this experiment, you have learned the phenomena of refraction. One common example of refraction is seen in spectacles. The light bends through lenses into our eyes, which makes the image more focused. Try out this experiment at home with different mediums like oil and vinegar and check what results you get.